Suzuki Cultus 2015 Euro Petrol, full genuine 0-meter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly family car, then today's car is a perfect option for you. Today, I am presenting a Suzuki Cultus Model 2015 Euro Petrol, available in excellent and fully genuine condition. This car is ideal for daily use, family driving, and city commutes, especially for people who want low maintenance with strong resale value. Let's start with the basic details. This is a Suzuki Cultus 2015 model, running on Euro Petrol. The car is 100% genuine and original from inside and outside. It is a second-owner car, very carefully driven, and well-maintained throughout its life. The demand for this vehicle is 16 lakh, and the car is located in Karachi, Sindh. Now let's talk about the condition of the car. The body condition is excellent. There are no major dents, no rust, and no accidental marks. The paint quality is clean and well maintained, giving the car a fresh and neat look. This vehicle is fully genuine, which means no shower, no major touch-ups, and no hidden work. Moving to the interior, the condition is equally impressive. The seats, dashboard, roof lining, and door panels are all neat and clean. There are no cuts, no cracks, and no unusual wear, which clearly shows careful usage by the previous owner. The cabin feels comfortable and perfect for family use. Now let's discuss the engine and performance. The engine is smooth, silent, and powerful, with no unusual noise or smoke. The pickup is good, and the drive is very comfortable. Suzuki Cultus is well known for its excellent fuel average, especially on Euro Petrol, making it a very economical choice in today's fuel prices. The suspension is in good condition, providing a smooth drive even on rough roads. Steering response is light and easy, which makes this car very suitable for city driving and traffic conditions in Karachi. Talking about maintenance, Suzuki Cultus has low running costs. Spare parts are easily available and affordable. This car is especially recommended for small families, office use, ride purposes, and daily driving. Now let's come to the market value and demand. The final demand is 16 lakh, which is very reasonable considering the model year, full genuine condition, Euro Petrol engine, and second owner status. Finding a Cultus 2015 in such original condition is rare, so this is a great opportunity for serious buyers. If you are looking for a trustworthy car with strong resale, good fuel economy, and easy maintenance, then this Suzuki Cultus 2015 is definitely worth considering. Round pushpin location: Karachi, Sindh. For more details, inspection, or test drive, you can contact us directly. If you like such genuine car reviews and honest deals, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another great deal. Allah Hafiz.